In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix access denied on ChatGPT. If you're seeing an access denied message when you try to use ChatGPT, don't worry. This usually points to a simple browser, network, or extension issue. I'll walk you through a clean sequence of fixes so you can get back in quickly. Start by turning off any VPN or proxy you're using. ChatGPT sometimes blocks traffic from shared or suspicious IP addresses, which many VPNs use. Open your VPN or proxy app, toggle it off, then refresh the page. If you're on a work or school network that forces a proxy and you can't disable it, just continue with the next steps. Next, clear cookies and cache for the site itself. Corrupted or outdated site data can confuse the login and security checks. In your browser settings, search for cookies or site data, then find the entry for chat.openai.com. Clear its cookies and cached images or files. This will likely sign you out, which is expected. After clearing, reload the page so the site can set fresh valid cookies. Now try a private or incognito window to quickly rule out interference from extensions or stale sessions. Open an incognito or private tab, navigate to chat.openai.com, sign in, and see if the error disappears. If it works in private mode, that's a strong hint. Something in your normal browsing profile, usually an extension, is the cause. With that clue, temporarily disable your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and certain security add-ons can block scripts or requests that ChatGPT relies on. Open your extensions or add-ons manager, toggle them off, especially anything that filters scripts or modifies network requests, and refresh ChatGPT. If the site loads normally, re-enable extensions one at a time and refresh after each to find the specific culprit. Keep that one off when you use ChatGPT, or add an allow list rule if the extension supports it. Finally, log out and log back in to reset your session cleanly. Click log out in ChatGPT, fully close your browser, use quit or exit so all processes stop, then reopen the browser, go to chat.openai.com and sign in again. This rebuilds your session with fresh tokens and often resolves lingering access checks. Work through these fixes in order. Disable VPN or proxy, clear site cookies and cache, try a private window, disable extensions, and then log out and back in. In most cases, one of these will lift the access denied roadblock and you'll be back to chatting without a hitch.